This video will explain the Citrus College Guided Placement for English. Students looking to earn an associate's degree or to transfer to a university from Citrus College will all need to complete the English composition requirement. This requirement can be met by successfully passing one of the following courses: English C1000 or English C1000E. The course that you take is based off of the information that you provided to us during your initial application to Citrus College. We look at things like your most recent English course and your high school GPA to decide which course you should take. You are sent a copy of your placement scores to your Citrus College email account after you apply to the college. If you cannot find this email, you are encouraged to talk to a counselor to see which course you qualify for. The two courses are virtually the same. They will review college-level analysis and argumentation, research techniques, and provide extensive writing practice based on readings. The biggest difference is that English C1000E will provide additional support for reading and grammar. The course is one extra unit, which means you will have a little more classroom time and more support from your professor. At the end of both courses, you will earn credit for English composition. Again, if you need assistance determining which course is right for you, or if you would like us to take another look at where you placed, please reach out to the Counseling and Advisement Center for help.